Okay, now that brings me to an important question, Sahil. What we were talking about off cameras, who replaces Jay Shah in that position in the BCCI? नाम बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं, but what are you hearing?
Okay, so first name is off my list right now. I kind of have how do I put it यार कैसे समझाऊं ये वाली बात. So Ron Jaitley is very unlikely, highly unlikely as of today to kind of take over as BCCI secretary. I think he would want to do certain things at the DDCA first. And I think that's what he has been doing successfully for the last couple of years now. Start of the Delhi Premier League T20 is a step in that direction. Improving the facilities at the Arun Jaitley Stadium is a step in that direction. Overall, he's trying certain things for the players like high performance camps, better CSE, better selectors, coaches from outside the state to not affect any sort of bias to come into selections. But still, he's a long way away from home. I think Delhi needs to replicate a lot when it comes to putting on consistent performances with both bat and ball across formats. The title hasn't come to them for a very, very long time. So I think Ron Jaitley's first aim, just like Jay Shah did, right? वो गुजरात के अंदर एक ऐसा legacy create कर आए थे जैसे ताउस भाई ने कहा वो रणजी ट्रॉफी title. So why not there? I think Ron would want to do that first before taking that plunge into the BCCI. And you also need to factor in the fact that he's a very active lawyer right now. It's not that he's just handling BCCI and has nothing else to do. He has a proper law firm. Most of his day is spent at the court. Even today, I wanted to speak to him regarding something and he was busy in a hearing. So that conversation couldn't happen. So it's not that, in the evenings, yes, you'll spot him in the DDCA corridors or probably enjoying the local chart which the caterers have to offer during the Delhi Premier League. But, during the working hours, he's very much occupied with the court. Then comes Rajiv Shukla. Yes, he'll probably be putting his all foot forward to kind of fill in that vacancy. And there's a very, very famous Kirti Azad quote on Rajiv Shukla, which I don't want to say right now, but most of the people would have read by now and would remember by now. Rajiv Shukla is everywhere, right? IPL GC नहीं तो BCCI नहीं तो UPC नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं वो जरूर आपको देखने को मिलेंगे कभी इस टीम के लॉन्च पे कभी इस लीग के लॉन्च पे तो he is everywhere. So you can't rule him out. Ashish Shelar, again, strong backing of the BCCI. His candidate did not win. Tausbai would weigh in better on that. His candidate did not win. The other Nayak, who was contesting for MCA president's post, had the backing of Ashish Shelar. That candidate did not win, so maybe he would want to kind of strengthen his grip over cricketing affairs by taking that plunge into BCCI Secretary's office. But my personal favorite would be Arun Dhumal. I don't know what technicalities are at this stage, too early to say. I haven't started snooping around. But I would really want someone like Arun Dhumal, very clear with his cricketing agendas, cricketing fundas, very well-spoken man. You can put him in a conversation, he'll never shy away from the camera or never shy away from speaking his mind. So if you ask me personally, my pick is Arun Dhumal. No-brainer.
Okay. But that's about your opinion. Jimmy, जो हम 4-5 नाम सुन रहे हैं उसमें से आपके हिसाब से कौन हो सकता है वो प्लेयर जो वो पोजीशन लेने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा सूटेबल रहेगा probably?
Well, if you're talking about player, then Rajiv Shukla. But if you're talking about suitable candidate, then I will say I'll go with what Sahil said. Again, I mean Rajiv Shukla seems to have been around since before the Jagmohan Dalmia time. That's how visible a figure he's been. And Sahil just listed off all his occurrences of where he's been. But so you cannot discount someone, but I think that ship was probably sailed. जितनी वो fielding कर सकते हैं, जितना भी उनका status है corridors of power में. And I remember that quote from Kirti Azad, well, as Sahil said. But then again, someone like Arun Dhumal has proximity. He's also visible. He's been in administration for some time. And he's also accessible, So I think he might, like Sahil said, he might be the most logical one. Because you need someone who can work with a range of people. You need someone who can step into the massive shoes of Jay Shah. He may be a bit undercooked, but I think logically you want someone जो कि future है. And Rajiv Shukla might be the present, but I don't think he's the future. So I'll go with Arun Dhumal as well.
Okay. But ताउस भाई यहाँ पर जितने भी यहाँ कैंडिडेट्स की बात हो रही है, बिकॉज नथिंग इज ऑफिशियल, उन सबके साथ कोई ना कोई एक एक बैगेज आता है, क्योंकि उनके अपने बोर्ड्स में या वो कहीं ना कहीं दे आर इनटू दे आर होल्डिंग अ पोजीशन, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो रिप्लेसमेंट्स की भी हमें बात करनी पड़ेगी। तो इतनी जल्दी रिप्लेसमेंट की बात करना या कूदना थोड़ा सा लॉजिकल है इस समय या नहीं?
See, these are the big names which you have listed down right now, and these are the most important contenders right now. इसके पीछे, इसके पहले अगर नाम होता कोई, तो शायद वो, I keep saying there is no smoke without fire, तो यहाँ पर स्मोक इसलिए आ रहे हैं इन चारों नाम की वजह से, and they have been Rohan Jaitley, obviously, I mean, of late reports are coming, but Rajiv Shukla, somebody, he's been a veteran over the years, he's seen everything, he's been a vice president, or he's traveled as a manager for Team India a lot of times, and he was also there for that NatWest series when Ganguly took out his t-shirt. So he's seen it all. He's got the experience, administrative experience. He could be one of the favorites. Ashish Shelar, I mean, recently he started with the MCA, Mumbai Cricket Association. The way he progressed, he's a politician, smart, shrewd guy, somebody who knows how things go right now. He's the treasurer at the moment. So these guys know exactly how to go about it. Arun Dhumal, his elder brother has been a secretary, BCCI secretary himself. He's been the chief. He himself has been part of BCCI in the last few years. So these are big names which we have listed down. और इसके आगे, इसके पहले, इसके पीछे छुपा हुआ नाम अभी तक आ जाना चाहिए था. आप लिस्ट डाउन कर दिए होता अगर कोई इनमें से कोई अलावा होता कोई नाम, which I believe इनमें से चारों में से कोई होगा. और इसमें से अगर कोई हो सकता, I think lobbying, player, I would say again, I would second Jamie Bhai's thoughts कि यार Rajiv Bhai is a great player. The way he handles things, the way he handles people, amazing. He's got that skill, and it requires certain skills to be there throughout. From Jagmohan Dalmia era, I've seen, I mean, he used to take the press conferences. He used to be part of that entourage of that group where Jagmohan Dalmia, Srinivasan, they were around. SK Nayars and a lot of people, all big shots, people who have seen, done it all. So वो फिर these guys are youngsters. I mean, compared to a Rajiv Shukla, Ashish Shelar, or maybe a Rohan Jaitley, or maybe Arun Dhumal, इन्होंने अभी plunge किया है. But then who wins that race? That will be something interesting to watch out for. Is it going to be that particular veteran who's seen it all, somebody who's weathered all storm, or somebody, or these guys who are new to the challenges? Jay Shah ne break kiya. Jay Shah was a youngster directly. He came into it. I mean, obviously crossing through that Gujarat Cricket Association, he's done it, seen it. But then he was a different guy altogether. Here, who has the power? Who's eligible? Oh, interesting rahega. Something to watch out for.
I think as we continue having this debate, it's very important to kind of factor in the fact that Rajiv Shukla is the current vice president. Ashish Shelar is the current treasurer. Arun Dhumal is the chair of the IPL Governing Council. So IPL Governing Council's role, as Jamie Bhai said, after Jay Shah leaves, will the franchises become more dominating on the BCCI? That IPL GC chair has to be a very strong position. So, इस logic से आप कहोगे कि Rohan Jaitley is the front runner. He could well take him. But then there's a DDCA election waiting to happen next month. DDCA is set to go for polls. And Rohan, if I'm not wrong, still has 2 years or 3 years. I think 3 plus 1, 2. I think he still has 2 years of term left before he goes into that cooling off for the DDCA. So I think 1 साल का stopgap arrangement, Rohan Jaitley, that could happen, but then he would have to let go of the DDCA chair, which he's a clear favorite for retaining after what he had done in the last couple of years. So all those things,
exactly.
It's not that straightforward. And yes, there are plenty of reports suggesting Rohan's name, and Rohan kind of fits the bill when it comes to that, having age on his side, dynamic, and looking cricket the way youngsters are supposed to look. But then, is he ready to take that plunge by compromising something which he had built from scratch in the last 3 years? Because DCA was a mess before he kind of took over, and it took him 10-12 months before finding his feet in this organization, which was dominated by veterans who have been ruling those corridors like forever. So it took him some time to kind of strengthen his foothold, and now that he has done, a system has been put in place. There is more order than chaos. I think he would want to create and extend that legacy. That's what I feel. इसीलिए मेरे को इतना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड ये लग नहीं रहा. अब राजीव शुक्ला सेक्रेटरी बनेगा तो वीपी कौन बनेगा, शेलार सेक्रेटरी बनेगा तो ट्रेजरर कौन बनेगा, धूमल साहब यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे तो आईपीएल जीसी जो बहुत क्रूशियल होने वाली है, लेगा राइट ऑप्शन में.
Sahil, then that's why राजीव शुक्ला का जो नाम है वो शायद इसलिए और फ्रंट रनर हो जाता है क्योंकि रोहन का आपने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, अरुण धूमल का के साथ एक बहुत बड़ा एक लॉजिक ये आता है कि यू नीड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग चेयर एट द आईपीएल देन, तो कहीं ना कहीं आशीष शेलार एंड राजीव शुक्ला का नाम आता है, एंड राजीव शुक्ला हैज बीन अराउंड द सीन, ही इज समवन, और एक साल का स्टॉप गैप हो गया ना, फिर एक साल का आपको स्टॉप गैप अगर लेना है, दैट्स व्हाई प्रॉब्ली ही इज द फ्रंट रनर, वो फिर उस लॉजिक से तो he can be the front runner.
एक साल के अंदर you have to decide on the IPL, you have to decide on WTC final, you have to play the Champions Trophy, you have to start building your squad for 2027 ODI World Cup. So ऐसा नहीं है वो stop gap होगा, अगर वो stop gap गलत पड़ गया, अगर कोई वहां पे ऐसा मिल गया जो needling करेगा in affairs, that's going to backfire, boss. It's a crucial year we are entering. It's not like कि हाँ चलो एक साल है,